this week's NewsDepth A+ to hand out. Our A+ award this week goes to the entire 6th grade class at Sherwood Elementary School in Anderson Township. Congrats! They made an uplifting video that included each student sharing a word that's helping them get through this challenging year. Teacher Mary Beth Sharkey said she'd never seen a year like this one with all of the masks, social distancing, constant cleaning, and no sharing of materials or group work. She went on to say, what we did notice in our 6th graders was an increase in anxiety. We wanted to find a way to give our students a voice and some power. Teacher Ben Urso came up with the One Word Project. Each student focused on a word that helps them get through this challenging year. Then they drew that word and physically demonstrated that word for their picture. They chose great words like relax, breathe, cherish, and unique. All the words actually were great. Normally, the students would take a picture together in a group shot, but this year, because it's so strange, teachers and students are trying to socially distance. A picture was taken of each student with their word, one at a time, and then the video was edited together. Teacher Mary Beth said it was such a positive experience, and she said it was really great to see all the new students without their masks so you could really and finally see their faces. We're proud to award this week's A+ to Sherwood Elementary's 6th grade class. We know it's been a trying year, and we commend you for getting through it and sharing some positivity with your families and community with your One Word Project video.